up and welcome back to my channel, Built by Rich. Today I will be working on the mr2. We're gonna fix the clutch issue that I have. Whenever I press the clutch, it doesn't disengage. I think it has to do with the slave cylinder. So that's a common issue with the mr2. We're gonna upgrade that today with the TCS single port clutch. So we're gonna convert that, or single port slave cylinder. We're gonna convert that today, and just to show you, I already started. So I took off the slave cylinder. As you can see here, this is the old slave cylinder, dual port. So it's gonna get rid of all these extra lines, which apparently makes it harder to bleed. We're gonna take that out. So I already took out, this all comes out in one piece. This is the mount, and it's kind of a pain in the butt to reach the two bolts up here, but it wasn't too bad. You can easily do it. I already did it just for the sake of time, and we are upgrading it with stainless steel braided lines, single port. So this is what we're putting in from TCS Motorsports, and we are also upgrading the clevis on the clutch pedal because those wear out. So let's go. All right, we had stripped the parts off of the bracket. We're gonna reuse this bracket right here, but we're gonna bypass all of these ports because we don't need them anymore. I believe that I am going to need to trim this bracket up here in order to fit the slave cylinder. So let me clean this up and then cut that off. All right, nice and clean. And I cut the bracket right there. Time to put it in. All right, it's all on there. It looks a lot cleaner, less lines. Everything's hooked up. I really need to clean down there. It's pretty nasty, but yep, it's all on there. As you can see, just need to bleed it and see if it works. All right, peace. All right, don't know if you guys can see this, but I need to take that off. So I think the best thing to do here is to take off the pedal and then do everything on the outside and then just put it back in. So I'm gonna have to do that. Can't hold the camera and do it at the same time, so see you guys in a little bit. All right, I think I found my issue. I think that's leaking. So which makes sense because the slave cylinder, when I took it off, was dry, and this is the only other area where it can leak, so need to fix that too. Fun. All right, I got the pedal out. Need to drill this to the size of the bearing, and I'll show you guys how it goes on. All right, I got it all drilled out. This is gonna go in here. So I'm gonna press that in and then put some grease on there. And this goes in here with a pin. So, all right, essentially that's how it goes. Bearings right inside. Much more solid piece. But I can't put it back on because I gotta fix the master cylinder. Good times. All right, guys, I got my master clutch cylinder, and it's ASIN. Let me see the part number. There's the part number. If you guys need one, get this. It's basically the OEM master cylinder. Just it's just not. It's supposed to have a Toyota badge or a Toyota describe right there, but they scratch it out. But it's exact same thing. So this is a clutch master cylinder, and we'll be putting it on. So just want to let you guys know I got that, and gonna get this ball rolling. All right, like I mentioned earlier, this is basically the exact same thing as the OEM one. It's actually manufactured by the same company, Acer. As you will see, the OEM one has the Acer mark. The only difference is it has that Toyota logo, whereas on the Acer one they grind it off. But it's exact same thing. So now I just time to put this in and bleed the clutch and should be good. All right, so I got everything done. Everything seems to work. Able to put it in gear. Clutch grabs, and this thing is vibrating pretty bad because I think I have a flat spot in one of the tire, maybe a couple, but it's just one thing at a time, working it out. But clutch works. I need to bleed it some more because my Harbor Freight bleeder, vacuum bleeder, is not that great. So I'd rather do the two-man process. But that's gonna wrap it up for today. Just want to show you guys that everything works. Just driving it around. So, all right, till next time.